What should I do if the compression socks I ordered don't fit correctly?
Hello there. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing what to do if the compression socks you ordered don't fit correctly. Compression socks can be incredibly beneficial for various reasons, such as improving circulation, reducing swelling, and preventing blood clots. However, it's essential that they fit properly to maximize their effectiveness. If you find yourself in a situation where your compression socks don't fit correctly, don't worry. We have some helpful tips and suggestions for you. So, let's get started.
Assessing the fit.
The first step is to assess the fit of your compression socks. Take a moment to evaluate how they feel and whether they meet the required specifications for proper compression. Compression socks should be snug but not overly tight. They should provide graduated compression, meaning the pressure is strongest at the ankles and gradually decreases towards the calves.
Check the sizing.
If you find that your compression socks don't fit correctly, it's essential to double-check the sizing. Compression socks are available in various sizes, including small, medium, large, and extra large. Each size corresponds to specific measurements, such as calf circumference and shoe size. Refer to the sizing chart provided by the manufacturer to ensure you have the right size for your measurements.
Contact the retailer or manufacturer.
If you've confirmed that the sizing is correct, but the compression socks still don't fit properly, the next step is to contact the retailer or manufacturer. Reach out to their customer support team and explain the issue you're facing. Provide them with details about the size you ordered, the measurements you took, and how the socks fit on your calves and feet. They might be able to offer a solution, such as an exchange for a different size or style.
Consider custom-made compression socks.
In some cases, individuals may have unique leg shapes or sizes that make finding the right fit challenging. If you've exhausted all options and still can't find compression socks that fit properly, it might be worth considering custom-made compression socks. These are specially designed to fit your measurements and address any specific concerns you may have. Consult with a healthcare professional or compression garment specialist who can guide you through the process of obtaining custom-made socks.
Importance of proper fit.
Before we wrap up, let's highlight the importance of proper fit when it comes to compression socks. Wearing compression socks that don't fit correctly can lead to discomfort, restricted circulation, and potential health risks. If they are too tight, they can cause pain, skin irritation, or even impede blood flow. On the other hand, if they are too loose, they may not provide the necessary compression to achieve the desired benefits. So, always prioritize finding the right fit to ensure you reap the full advantages of compression therapy. That brings us to the end of this video. Remember, if the compression socks you ordered don't fit correctly, don't panic. Take the time to assess the fit, check the sizing, and reach out to the retailer or manufacturer for assistance. Consider custom-made compression socks if necessary. And always remember the importance of proper fit for maximizing the benefits of compression therapy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.